इंदौर के निपानिया स्थित एडवांस्ड एकेडमी स्कूल में प्रतिष्ठित देवार्थ अवार्ड 2026 समारोह आयोजित किया गया, जिसमें अलग अलग विधाओं में उत्कृष्ट कार्य करने वाले समाज के 30 से ज्यादा नायक नायिकाओं को यह पुरस्कार दिया गया। एडवांस एकेडमी स्कूल में मंगलवार को विशेष कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया गया। यहां देश, मानवता, सामाजिक सेवा, शिक्षा, चिकित्सा, कला, उद्यम और रक्तदान जागरूकता सहित अन्य क्षेत्र में निस्वार्थ और समर्पण भाव से कार्य करने वाली शख्सियतों को सम्मानित किया गया। ये तमाम वे विभूतियां रही हैं जो बिना किसी स्वार्थ के समाज में अनुकरणीय योगदान दे रही हैं। देवार्थ अवार्ड समारोह के मुख्य अतिथि लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल राहुल भोरासकर थे। कार्यक्रम के दौरान स्कूल के डायरेक्टर टिमसी राय और प्रिंसिपल उषा किरण तोमर भी मौजूद रही। इस मौके पर लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल राहुल भोरासकर ने अवार्ड पाने वाले सभी लोगों को बधाई दी और उनके प्रेरणादायी कार्य के लिए साधुवाद दिया। वहीं स्कूल डायरेक्टर टिमसी राय ने भी अवार्ड पाने वाले को उनके उत्कृष्ट कार्य के लिए धन्यवाद दिया।
It serves as a beacon of inspiration for serving and giving your little bit to the society. Each and every one of us, sometime or the other, definitely think that I should be contributing something for the betterment of the society. We all feel inside our heart that I should be doing something for the society. But these people, they not just feel, they not just thought about it, they went ahead and acted upon it. And not just for 1 year, 2 years, I have been listening. Some people have been working in this philanthropic work for more than 20-25 years. It is indeed a privilege. Salute to all of you. You people are real heroes of the society. Not all heroes wear cape or have mask. Some are unknown faces in the society who amongst us keep on doing their little bit. You all must have heard that army personnel, they sacrifice their comfort, they sacrifice their family life and they protect the nation out there. Yes, it is true. But when I see all you people working here so tireless for the society, I feel this all sacrifice is worth it. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for inviting me and making this event a part of me. Thank you so much.
A little longer, perhaps 3 to 4 days. With little more efforts, we can convert it into butter, but that also lasts for a few weeks. But something remarkable happens when that butter is made to endure heat, is boiled, undergoes transformation. It gets transformed into ghee, which is pure, valuable, fragrant, and most importantly, long-lasting. Almost like immortal. In the same way, our Devarth awardees have transformed themselves from ordinary individuals to extraordinary individuals by undergoing tribulations, challenges, and hardships. Through their devotion, dedication, and their spirit of service, they too have become immortal in the hearts of all those people whose lives they have uplifted. Whenever our Devarth team, we go through the work these people have been doing, I think my team can resonate with me. We feel like goosebumps. Because we wonder that while we are lost in our own world, with our own problems, these inspiring individuals are striving to change the world. by devoting their life, their whole life, for the service of humanity.
इस मौके पर मुकबधिर छात्र छात्राओं ने सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमों की शानदार प्रस्तुति दी। बता दें कि देवार्थ अवार्ड्स उन लोगों को दिया जाता है जो समाज लोगों के लिए निस्वार्थ भाव से कार्य करते हैं। ऐसे नायक सेवा, समर्पण और सकारात्मक सोच से सेवा कर रहे हैं। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, डीजीआनंद न्यूज़।